श्री मनाचे श्लोक श्लोका number 41 English translation and explanation. Shri Manache Shlok were written by Samarth Ramdas Swami. They are a dialogue with our mind. बहु हिंडता सौख्य होणार नाही, शिणावे परी नातुडे हित काही, विचारे बरे अंतरा बोधवीजे, मना सज्जना राघवी वस्ती कीजे. Don't allow your mind to wander too much, as there is no happiness even after that. The mind will get tired without achieving it. Let us understand at the level of our consciousness that our mind should rest at the feet of Lord Rama. Some of the keywords used in this shloka are hindata, means after wandering; shinave, means exhausting completely; natude, means achieve; antara, means internally; bodhavije, means advice. O my mind, understand that even after going towards one mirage to another, you will not get anything. Whether this wandering is for achieving happiness or to visit lots of holy places in the search of God. The illusion of achieving happiness based on the thoughts like, if I only get this, then I will, or when I will acquire this, then I will, is going to delude us always. Many times it happens that we are impatient about something and keep on trying alternatives after alternatives, but still remain dissatisfied. Meanwhile, we keep on exhausting our physical and mental energy in mindless browsing in search of that unattainable outwardly happiness. Instead, we should look inside, ask ourselves for the real advice, and we will find that happiness is within us. Swami Vivekananda famously said this: after every happiness comes misery. They may be far apart or near. What we want is neither happiness nor misery. Both make us forget our true nature. Both are chains, one of iron, other of gold. Behind both is the Atman, who knows neither happiness nor misery. These are states, and states must ever change. But the nature of the soul is bliss, peace, unchanging. We have not to get it, we already have it. Only wash away the dross and see it. He also said, freedom is the goal of the universe. Not love, nor hate, nor pleasure, nor pain, nor death, nor life, nor religion, nor irreligion. Not this, not that, not that. We should keep God always in our minds and do every karma accordingly. That way, we will have that freedom and peace. बहु हिंडता सौख्य होणार नाही, शिणावे परी ना तुडे हित काही विचारे बरे अंतरा बोधवीजे मना सज्जना राघवे वस्ती कीजे. If you liked this video, do share, feel free to comment and subscribe to the channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. Jai Jai Raghuveer Samartha.